How to get picture-in-picture mode on YouTube. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin Besnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can get the picture-in-picture mode on YouTube. Now there are two different steps on how you can get the picture-in-picture mode on YouTube. First thing is to get the YouTube Premium. The one and only way on YouTube to get the picture-in-picture mode officially is to go ahead and buy the YouTube Premium, purchase Premium, and there your picture-in-picture mode will be automatically enabled. So however, if you don't want to get the Premium, then there is another option. If you're on Android, you can simply go ahead and open YouTube or any other apps that you want, and then you can play the video or such if you are on YouTube, and then head into this background apps option. You can see one active in background. Now tap on it and tap and hold on it, and you'll get the option that says drop here for pop-up preview. You can either drop it upwards where your YouTube will be played on the upper half screen of your screen, or you can do it on the lower half. However, if you want to do it in picture-in-picture mode, simply tap on drop here for pop-up preview. Make sure you drag it in the middle and drop it here, and a little pop-up will appear. Here you can stream YouTube. You can go ahead and resize it and replace it, and you can go ahead and use other app in background as well. So this way you can get the picture-in-picture mode on YouTube. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.